with that, I want to ask you some questions. A lot of people engage with you when they see you making a mistake. I'll give an example. On my video, I asked a question because I do a lot of street interviews on my main channel, The Savvy BG Show. I was asking a question to somebody and the question was incorrect. The question itself was wrong. Like the options I gave were wrong. It was incorrect. And I had to apologize to millions or thousands of people because they all left me a comment saying, hey, this question you asked was incorrect. This should be the question. And I was like, wow, you know what? That's a cool way to increase your engagement because people really want to correct you when they see that you're wrong and they can tell you something. So do you have a tip or a strategy on how do you increase engagement from your followers on your YouTube videos?
Well, when I make mistakes, I usually don't plan them, they just happen. But when I try to engage with my viewers, I really want them to feel important. So when they comment on my videos, I try to respond to them. When they DM me on Instagram, I try to respond. I know I'm not this like giant celebrity, so I don't want to like seem like I'm just a higher figure. I just want to be relatable and a person to them. And I feel like that can increase conversation.
Yeah, no, that's such a wonderful thing to say.